hip 90-90. What you're going to want to do is create a 90-degree angle between both your legs. You're going to want to sit on your butt, throw your hands behind you, bring that sternum a little forward, retract your shoulder blades, and just like a windmill, you are rocking your legs side to side, trying to maintain a 90-degree angle between both legs. This should be done comfortably. Feel free to spread your hands nice and wide, and of course, try to rock the legs into 90-90. You can fixate yourself into one side and lean the entire torso forward, and then equally using your back thigh, you can rock that pelvis front to back, and equally bringing the legs up on their own, often holding that position and then lowering it down slowly for eccentric control. That's for the front and back leg.